Architect 2008 training consists of a 2-CD set covering the most important features of the software. You'll begin by drawing this plan of a residential addition, learning to lay out walls, windows, and doors. You'll also learn how to use many of Architect's intelligent annotation tools and what you need to do in order to configure them to your own office graphics and make them part of your own symbol library. We'll finish this first project by presenting it in a sketch render style and learn how you can customize the sketch styles to get just the look you want. Next, we'll create a schematic design for a public library, looking at how you import a site survey and clean it up for use in your own file, then using specialized Architect space objects to test out the building program, making this site diagram that can also be turned into a 3D massing model. You'll also see how data can be extracted from a drawing, using Architect's built-in spreadsheet and database to create a dynamic report that tracks the building area and site coverage.